Introduction to High-Paying Online Jobs for Beginners. Are you a student or recent graduate looking to kickstart your career while earning a great income from the comfort of your home? The rise of remote work and online opportunities has made it easier than ever to start building your professional skills and financial independence. Whether you're looking for flexibility, a chance to learn new skills, or simply a way to make money while studying, there are high-paying online jobs tailored for beginners like you. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 highest-paying online jobs that require little to no prior experience, giving you the tools to take your first step into the digital workforce. Freelance writing, turning words into wealth. First on our list is freelance writing. If you have a knack for storytelling or enjoy crafting compelling content, this could be your ticket to earning a steady income online. Freelance writers create blog posts, articles, website copy, and even ebooks for clients around the world. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are excellent platforms to find entry-level writing gigs. Beginners can earn between $20 to $50 per article, and with experience, this can quickly grow to $100 or more. The best part? You don't need a degree in journalism. Strong writing skills and a willingness to learn are all you need to get started. Virtual assistant. Be the backbone of businesses. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant, VA. As a VA, you'll help businesses and entrepreneurs with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, data entry, or social media management. It's a role that's perfect for organized individuals who thrive on multitasking. Many companies are willing to train beginners, and starting pay typically ranges from $15 to $25 per hour. Platforms like Belay, Fancy Hands, and Remote.co frequently list virtual assistant opportunities. This job not only pays well, but also helps you develop in-demand organizational and communication skills. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge. If you excel in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative option. Platforms like VIPKid, Cambly, and Tutor.com connect you with students from around the globe. English as a second language. ESL tutoring is especially popular, with hourly rates ranging from $15 to $30 for beginners. You don't necessarily need a teaching degree, just proficiency in the subject you want to teach and a passion for helping others learn. Online tutoring is a fantastic way to make a difference while earning money, and it fits perfectly into a student's schedule. Social media management. Monetize your digital savvy. Are you someone who spends hours scrolling through Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter? Why not turn your social media skills into a paycheck? Social media managers help businesses grow their online presence by creating content, scheduling posts, and engaging with followers. Even as a beginner, you can charge $15 to $30 per hour, and with experience, this can increase significantly. Tools like Canva and Buffer make it easy to get started, and platforms like LinkedIn and Indeed often have entry-level listings. This job is ideal for creative individuals who love staying on top of digital trends. Graphic design. Create and earn. Finally, if you have an eye for design, graphic design is one of the most rewarding online jobs for beginners. With free tools like Canva and beginner-friendly courses available on websites like Coursera or Skillshare, you can quickly build a portfolio. Graphic designers are in high demand for creating logos, social media graphics, and marketing materials. Entry-level designers can earn $20 to $40 per project, and as your skills grow, so will your income. Websites like 99 Designs and Dribbble are great places to showcase your work and find clients. Conclusion. Take the first step today. These 5 online jobs offer incredible opportunities for students and recent graduates to earn high incomes while gaining valuable skills. Whether you choose to write, assist, teach, manage, or design, the key is to take action and start building your portfolio today. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and the sooner you start, the closer you'll be to achieving your goals. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the digital workforce and unlock your potential.